Hello viewers, welcome to Core for Any. If you hear new, hit subscribe buttons and notification bell so you can never miss any our incredible content. Shift UI inside social apps. Need to create here the first of all the home tab. Need to develop this UI inside the Shift UI. This UI are the develop inside the flutters and need to convert into the Shift UI. First of all, need to create this here, and first of all, need to create here this app bars, and then after need to recommendations user list need to display, and then after the user stories image need to these tabs are the develops here. Let's start how to write down inside the Shift UI. First of all, so need to create here the home tabs, home view. We need to create first of all need to create here the new files, and to give this here like this name as a home view need to give this GUI files. And first of all, so need to create here the Z stacks to develop these here like this need to set. And now first of all, so need to set here the navigation titles as I need to set here blank. Then after navigations app bars need to hide this here hidden functions calls need to pass inside the true, and then after need to set this here the navigations far back buttons hidden methods we need to call this here, and then after we need to ignore shape area we need to write call this methods here. First of all, we need to create here the top app bars we need to develop, we need to create here the vstack, and now inside we need to create here the hashtags we need to develop here, and to set this here the spacers we need to like this set as a spacer. And now we need to give here the top alignments, we need to set this here. First of all, the top paddings need to give this here and to top here top insets. And now need to set here the buttons, we need to set this here button as actions, need to pass this here, and we need to create here the chat buttons need to develop here. First of all, need to create this image and to resizables set is a scale to fit, and then after need to set here the frame 30 by 30, need to set here the width 13, and then after need to height we need to set here the 30 like this we need to set here. And first of all need to needs here the create here the assets names. Now need to go and to copy these assets and to paste this here like this. And now need to create here the center titles, need to develop here the text property, use this here the text widgets, and need to give these names here the logo. And now need to set here the custom fonts we need to set here, and to custom fonts bold we need to set here, and then after need to set here the 26 font weight. And now need to give this here the colors. First of all need to set fill colors, foreground colors as I need to pass. Primary text need to give this here, and now need to set here the multi main axis to give first of all the frame, and that as a maximum width infinity need to give this here, and to set here the alignments. Is here the center, and now need to here the padding horizontal 20 need to give this here the is. And another buttons we need to create here the user image, need to copy this here these buttons here and to paste this here and to create here the rounded buttons. Need to set here the user profiles image. Need to go here and to need this here. Suppose you need to replace here the image because need to modify this image. First of all, need to set this here to set like this. And now not to use this image and to give this here the width 35 and now need to flip this image. First of all, need to give here the corner radius. You need to set here and to give this here the corner radius 17.5 and to remove this corner here. At this, you need to set this here the image and to give here the scale to fit here, not fit. And now we need to create here the backgrounds colors. We need to give this here the background colors. We need to set as a color white. And now need to give this here the shadow. Here and to set here the y is equal to set here to shadow is not working. We need to create another stack like this and to this here the shadow. And now need to background and to cut this like this. We need to set this here and to set here the padding bottoms. We need to set this here. Now this is the display goods here, no any issue. And now need to create here our recommended dates view. Need to create first of all. So need to read here data. Need to copy inside the filters and to paste this here. First of all, need to create here the state property where and to give this name here the recommended array. And now need to set this value here, this like here. Now another state property to define here where and need to set here the all array like this. You need to set inside the shifts. Now need to paste this data here and to set here this value here. And now need to create another the scroll view. Need to develop this here. And now first of all need to create here the space. Now need to first of all the copy this value here and to paste this here for the to set dot param and to give this here the height need to 20 plus top insets, then plus here like this value, set this here, remove this here, and now need to start here our logics. And first of all need to create here the view. We stack we need to develop this here and to give this here the alignments, set as a leading, and to set here the contents like this set here. And now need to set here the text property. I need to copy this here and to set these titles and to set here the padding. Horizontals need to give here the 20, and now need to change this text and need to write down here the recommended text. Need to set this here and to change this font size need to set as a 16 like this, and to set here the leading like this set here, and to restart this here. First of all need to get this here the errors, fix this error here, like this value here the sets, and need to fix this issue here. And now here the loading this UI. Now need to develop here the lazy original text. Need to develop this here and to set here the space tints like this here set. And now need to create here the recommended cells. We need to develop this here. First of all need to create here the button, and to create here the view. First of all needs here the for each like this sets here. And now we need to set here the 0 dot dot distance, and to count here the recommended array dot counts. We need to set this here. Now need to pass here place dot cell, and now need to set here the indexed, and need to give first of all need to set here the r object is equal to needs here the recommended set of index. We need to get this here. Now need to create here the containers, and to set here the columns. We need to stack. We need to develop this here. And now we need to create here the on that text. We need to develop this here. And now need to create here the linear gradients. We need to set this here with colors. Now need to set as a top leading, and endpoints we need to set here the top bottom headings. We need to set like this. And now need to define here color property some needs here. Need to give this here. Now need to set here the copy this here paste this here and to write down here the secondary app colors and secondary and colors need to give this here like this, and now need to create another the secondary. The colors need to give this here and to set here the secondary app colors and secondary and colors. Now need to copy these colors and need to set inside the this recommended view like this. Need to set this here and now need to set here the frame and to set here the width and height also need to give here the 80, same as you need to copy and need to set this value here 80. Remove this here the height, no needs, and to colors like secondary G and to check this here the UI. And now need to create here the alignments and to give here the center. Like this we need to set this here, and now need to develop here the user image. We need to set this here. First of all, so need to set like this UI and to give this here the padding. Need to set as a padding horizontals, set as a 20 padding. Verticals we need to give this here the 10. Now need to set here the background colors, color white. Need to set this here, and now need to give here the shadow and to give here radius 2. And first of all need to set here the clip corner radius. You need to give this here the 40 and to this here like this set here. Maybe you need to increase this comment depth here 60. This value here and to this here this, and also we need to create here the scroll view and need to give here the horizontal set here. Now this here and to paste this here like this. Here and to set here the 50. And one more things, need to give here padding as a top, that as a 10. Now here the display goods this UI and to set here the center image, develop this here, all this here the image sets. Now need to copy inside here the label and to this year like value here need to give here the 17 and to give this here the recommended object that has an image property. You need to give this here and to pass as a string. This value need to give this here and to call this clip react event set this here and to set as a deploy. Set like this value and to set here the scale to fit. Now need to create here the text property. You need to copy here and to give this here and now need to set here the alignments leadings. You need to give this here image need to set here. This way. First of all, you need to remove these assets and this here and to replace with the blank, replace walls image. Need to copy this. So this set this value and now need to set here the font regulars and to give this here the titles as a name. Need to pass this here to set here the regular and to set fonts at 13 and colors. Need to set here the secondary text like this. You need to give this here and to issue with here the shadow. Need to create here the over backgrounds inside. Need to create here the this here. Now need to go inside the main tab view and you need to needs here this background rectangles shadow. Copy here and to paste inside the home view and to set like this here and this here to is set here. Fix this here the shadow issue and now need to this recommended view are the creators with the scroll working goods, no any issue. And now we need to develop this UI. The user list we need to develop here. First of all, we need to create here the stack. Need to convert this UI. No needs. Common view. Now we need to go first of all here's the scroll view. Complete this here. Now need to set here and need to set here the lazy which tag we need to use here and now need to set here First of all, need to create here the stack. Close this here. Use here the for each loops with data contents. Now need to use here the all data, all array. Then after need to set here the slash dot self id, and now need to get here the indexed value, where we need to get here the new object is equal to need to get this here the all array, and to get here the indexed value like this set here. And now need to create here the stack h stack develop with alignments, set as a leadings, this set here. First of all, need to create here the h text, need to give this here, need to copy here the tab bars like this value here, this here, and to give this here the user image, we need to cut this here and to this here like this, and to give this here the user image, to give here the string, to set here the t here. Now need to set here the 20, and to set here the spacing, and to set here the 50. But this here I have to create here the stack like this, and to set this text now paste here. Now need to set here the fix this error issue, and to use this count here. And now need to set here the font size. Suppose need to set this here the 16s, and to use here bold primary text, set here the ready. Now need to copy this here and to give this here the name property, need to set this here, and to copy here the buttons, and to set like this here the buttons, and to set here the more buttons, and to create here the another text fields, and to set here the secondary text colors, to go here and to copy this and to paste as a secondary text colors. Need to set this like here, and to set here this year's first of all need to give this here the property as a status, then afterwards we need to set here the time, and now we need to set here the regular, and we need to set his font size is 40, and to reload these years, and first of all we need to create here padding, need to set here the vertical, and so need to give this here and to this here like, and need to decrease this size, like this. You need to set this here, and now we need to develop this horizontal image list. We need to develop here, we need to copy here the this tag here, copy with the scroll view, and now need to set this here, and now we need to find here the image array is equal to set here the counted or object, use here the image and parse here string. This we need to this here, and that as a wrong place here, but this here that as a this image area, see this value. Now we need to set here corners are the image here, and to set here the height and width 120, down here the clipped shape are called this here. Now need to reload this here this UI, check this error, our object cannot find inside the scope place, so reported here the check, and one more things we need to set here the scroll show scroll here, set here home with like this. We need to set this here the image and here the display goods display. Now need to convert this UI inside the common view. You need to cut this here, this value here. Here. Now need to create inside the common UI and to create here the home tab. Pro view and to paste this here the now to its here property object string any. Now need to pass this object here preview and need to set here the home view and to give here the u object this here same as you need to create here the this view cut this. Now need to create here the new files and to create here the recommended cells names you need to give this here. And now need to paste these codes and to create here the property give here the where our object pass here string like value this years. If you need this set value here, don't need to call this here for the preview. Need to go inside here the our view home view and to copy first data and need to set this as a here the preview like this. We need to set this here. Now need to use these common cells inside the home view and need to and this like here our object and to put this here and this UI are the created. Now need to waiting for the reloadings here and need to configures as a tab view copy here and display goods no any issue and working goods this UI here. Now need to go inside main tab and to configure this home tabs to give this here the paste write down here the ignore safe area like this. Need to set this here. Now I am waiting for the loading this UI. If you dislike this video, please give the thumbs up. If you're new user, so please subscribe my channels and press the notification bell icon. You can get every new video notifications and awesome contents. Now we need to announce here the experience. methods and write down here the UI tab bar. Your appearance is hidden. That here this, and to remove this here the term like this value, you need to set this here and working goods. If you like this video, please give the thumbs up. If you're new user, so please subscribe my channels and press the notification bell icon. You can get every new video notifications and awesome content. If you have any question, so please write down in the comment sections. I will help you and sort out your issue. Everyone have a nice day. Goodbye and take care.